Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. How to make perfect Chinese stir-fry veggies every time. Easy recipes. Chinese stir-fry veggies are a staple in homes and restaurants worldwide, loved for their vibrant colors, crisp textures, and fresh flavors. This cooking method has deep roots in Chinese cuisine, where speed and high heat lock in nutrients while keeping dishes light and healthy. Best of all, stir-frying is one of the quickest ways to get dinner on the table, no fancy equipment needed. Whether you're cooking with bok choy, broccoli, or snap peas, the technique stays simple. Hot pan, fresh ingredients, and a fast hand. It's a foolproof way to turn everyday veggies into something spectacular. Ready to get started? Let's break down the steps to make your stir-fries shine. The art of stir-frying vegetables. Stir-frying is more than just tossing veggies in a pan. It's a fast, fiery dance that keeps vegetables crisp, colorful, and packed with flavor. The secret lies in high heat, quick cooking, and constant movement. This method preserves nutrients better than boiling or steaming, while keeping textures satisfyingly crunchy. A good stir-fry feels alive, with each bite offering a slight char and a burst of freshness. Essential tools for stir-frying. You don't need fancy gadgets, but a few basics make a difference. A wok or large skillet. A wok's sloped sides help distribute heat evenly, but a sturdy cast iron or carbon steel pan works too. High smoke point oil. Peanut, grapeseed, or avocado oil handle the heat without burning. Long-handled spatula or tongs. Keeps your hands safe while flipping ingredients quickly. Prepped ingredients. Chop everything beforehand. Once the cooking starts, there's no time to pause. Common mistakes to avoid. Even small errors can turn vibrant veggies into a soggy mess. Watch out for these pitfalls. Overcrowding the pan. Too many veggies lower the temperature, causing steaming instead of searing. Work in batches if needed. Under-seasoning. Add salt early to draw out moisture, but save saucy additions for the last minute to keep textures crisp. Stirring too little or too much. Let pieces sit briefly for a bit of caramelization, but keep them moving to avoid burning. Using watery vegetables raw. Thick veggies like broccoli or carrots benefit from a quick blanch first. Watery ones, zucchini, mushrooms, should go in late. Timing matters. Toss in delicate greens just before pulling the pan off the heat. They'll wilt perfectly from the residual warmth without turning mushy. Key ingredients for authentic Chinese stir-fry veggies. Great stir-fries start with the right ingredients. Fresh vegetables, bold sauces, and punchy seasonings work together to create that unmistakable stir-fry flavor, crisp, savory, and full of life. Let's break down the essentials. Vegetables, from bok choy to snow peas. Chinese stir-fries spotlight vegetables with texture and quick cooking potential. Here's what to keep on hand. Bok choy. Tender stems and mild greens wilt fast but stay crisp. Baby bok choy works whole. Larger heads can be chopped. Snow peas. Sweet and snappy, these add color and crunch. Trim the stringy edge before cooking. Bell peppers. Thin strips agera quickly, bringing sweetness and vibrant color. Carrots. Julienned or thinly sliced, they soften just enough without losing bite. Broccoli. Florets cook best when blanched first. 30 seconds in boiling water keeps them bright green. Bean sprouts. A last-minute addition for crunch. Rinse well and pat dry to avoid sogginess. Chinese eggplant. Less watery than globe varieties, it soaks up sauces without turning mushy. Leafy greens like gai lan, Chinese broccoli, or Napa cabbage are regional favorites. Mixed textures. Soft mushrooms with crisp bamboo shoots. Or crunchy water chestnuts with velvety spinach. Sauces and seasonings, oyster sauce to Sichuan pepper. The right sauce transforms vegetables into something rich and complex. These are the staples. Oyster sauce. Thick, savory, and slightly sweet. Use sparingly, it's potent. Soy sauce. Light soy for saltiness, dark soy for color and depth. Sesame oil. A drizzle at the end adds nutty aroma. Never cook with it, high heat kills its flavor. Hoisin. Sweet and tangy, great for glazing. Rice wine or Shaoxing wine. Cuts through richness and adds brightness. Sichuan pepper. Not spicy, but numbing and citrusy. Toast it lightly before grinding. Aromatics matter just as much. Garlic and ginger. Minced or sliced, they form the flavor base. Scallions. White parts cook first. Greens go in at the end for freshness. Dried chilies. For heat without overpowering. Remove seeds if you prefer mild spice. Northern stir-fries lean heavy on soy and vinegar. Southern ones might use more sugar and fermented pastes. Adjust to taste. Your wok, your rules. That's it for part 1. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to making delicious stir-fry veggies. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into even more tasty tips. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.